Are you currently dropshipping on eBay but struggling to become profitable? Feeling frustrated? Maybe even thinking about giving up? Well, in this video, I will share a strategy that people just like you are using to quickly become profitable. Now, the reason I know this strategy works is because of the results people just like you are sharing on our members community every week. Here is Abdul, who went from 0 to 8K in just 4 months. Also, here is Moon, who went from 0 to more than 250 sales in 30 days. And there are many more. These people are using this exact same strategy I am going to share with you today. Now, the strategy I'm going to share with you today will give you the exact steps to take your dropshipping store from breaking even to becoming profitable. So please watch it from the beginning to the end and be ready to take some notes. Your e-commerce journey is divided into 3 important stages, and those are when you break even, when you become profitable, and when you reach financial independence. Now, the profitable stage is when you get paid for all the hard work, and that is the reason we all get started in the first place, isn't it? So the strategy I am going to show you will give you the exact steps to become profitable fast. Let's jump into it. Step 1, adjust your product research method and profit targets. Find products with an average profit of at least $4. Stop searching for cheap items. Items from $5 to $10 are cheap items unless they are giving you the desired profit. Step 2, review your listing optimization practices. If you are not adding item specifics, start today. Make sure your prices are attractive. Note, never sell products with low profit just because you want to be competitive. It's sometimes better not to sell a product at all if you don't have a profit. Keep that in mind. Step 3, update your listing targets. List at least 15 items per day. Set weekly and monthly goals. Make sure you delete items that are out of stock and never delete more than you list. Note, the goal is to grow the amount of active listings. So make sure you are always on a positive trends growth. If you're not listing enough, you will not turn profitable. If you find any value in this video so far, I truly appreciate it if you go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to stay notified. Step 4 is all about scaling your winnings. What is that fancy term and how does it work? First, you look for the top selling items. For example, you sold this security LED light 10 times in the last 30 days for $42.99. Now, go to your supplier website, for example, AliExpress or Amazon, and search for similar items with a lower price. Let's go to AliExpress for this example. So you find a similar security LED light with different colors, a different model, a different brand, or feature for much of a lower price compared to your winning product that sold for $42.99. You have the perfect product for scaling. You take this product and you mask it with the same title as your winning product. And you can go ahead and change 1 to 2 words by the end of the title. And you list it for the same price of $42.99. So if you buy it for $17.15, like this item we found on AliExpress, and sell it for $42.99, now your profit is around $19.64, which is a much more higher profit and above your average target of $4. This is one of the most effective ways to increase profitability. Step 5, sell in eBay categories with lower fees. Lots of sellers are not aware of the lower fees, so you can use it for gaining competitive prices. It's a simple way to increase profitability when you pay less for eBay. Here is a list of attractive categories with lower fees, so go and search for products in these categories. Sports trading cards, collectible card games, toys and hobbies. On those, eBay takes 5% on total amount of sale. Next is athletic shoes and women's shoes. And for those, eBay takes 8% if total amount of the sale is $100 or more, or 12.9% if total amount of the sale is less than $100. Step 6, look for ways to increase back-end profit. Apply for credit cards with cash back. Examples of those are Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card with 1.5% cash back. Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card, 1.5% to 5% cash back. And Chase Freedom Unlimited from 1.5% to 6.5% cash back. It's also a good idea to utilize discounted gift cards for Amazon and Walmart. Step 7, open a second eBay account. Now, when you know how to run the business, create more accounts. You can find a guide inside the Zeek members group on how to run multiple unlinked eBay accounts. More stores equals more exposure to eBay search results. And with that, you get more sales. I recommend going through this video again. Make sure you are implementing each of these steps into your dropshipping store. Once you start focusing on finding products with targeted profit, optimizing your item specifics, listing items every day, scale your winning products, and look for ways to increase your back-end profit, you will become profitable quicker than you think. Take action and change your life. I hope you found value in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep moving forward, and I will see you next time.